Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are new. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you what I feed my baby. So this will help you to give you ideas and inspiration of what to give your baby on a typical day. My baby is 11 months old, so this is going to be great meals from when you're starting to wean your baby from 4 or 6 months up until 1 year old and going onwards, because I know that when I had my first baby I had no idea what I was doing and I really needed the help. So especially with having a second baby, I actually forgot how to wean a baby. So definitely stay tuned, and I'm going to do a voiceover so that I can show you what we're doing on a typical day, what I'm giving my baby, why I'm giving it. This is going to be especially helpful if your baby has eczema, because I give certain meals that helps to prevent an eczema flare up. So definitely stay tuned and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have any other meal ideas. And I would love for you, there should be a little dog coming up now somewhere here, to leave a comment, like, subscribe and tick that bell so that you can be notified when videos come out, which is every week on a Sunday 7 p.m. I'm all about helping us to raise our children together because it takes a village to raise a baby, and I'm all about showing inspiration, tips, behind the scenes on parenthood, and I just want you to enjoy your parenting journey even more because I know how difficult and stressful it can be. So follow me behind the scenes and let's get to it with what we're going to feed our baby today. Great, for breakfast we're gonna make some porridge with oat milk and banana. I like to keep it simple. Sometimes I add banana, sometimes I don't. I love Scottish oats. Sorry, this is the wrong way around, but yeah, I love it. I just love the consistency. And we add oat milk. We have oat milk at home because we just tend to get this upset stomach if we use full fat milk. I'm gonna add some banana, and obviously oat milk helps to ensure that my baby doesn't react to the dairy and get like an eczema flare. You can use almond milk. So he seems to be enjoying it. There is the porridge for this morning. Yummy, yummy. So Zion's now having his porridge, and I thought he wouldn't actually want to eat because he's not feeling too well. And my daughter wants to get involved as well, my 3-year-old, because he's not feeling too well. So he was crying when I put him in a high chair, but he's actually doing quite well, bless him. I think he's starting to get full. But if you are breastfeeding, feel free to put your own breast milk in there instead of oat milk. Obviously I'm not using dairy because of eczema, so I'm avoiding dairy for that reason. And anyways, little side note, I've got my headscarves. If you've seen my previous video, which I'll link up here, or down there and down there, and in the description, basically I ordered some headscarves to help celebrate our African culture so my daughter can be inspired by her culture. So I've got them, and they got delivered today. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll leave the link if you kind of want to have your own ones if you're interested. I don't get this is not an ad, by the way. Anyways, so this is what Zion is having for breakfast, and then I'm thinking of giving him banana and avocado snack later on, so let's see how that goes. But keep following me, let's see what else we can create and meal up for our babies. And side note as well, if you ever experience that your baby is not eating, they can spend days or even a week or so not eating, don't worry, that's completely normal. They say that babies under 1, it's all about just exploring food, different textures, playing with food, messy play. It's not really about them consuming the food because their main source of nutrition will be from their formula milk or their breast milk. So I would not worry. He's spent a good few days not eating. He eats more at nursery if anything. So yeah, let's see you in a few minutes. So before I go and continue on and talk to you about what we're going to have as a snack before lunchtime for Zion, for my baby, I just wanted to highlight that I've created a video a little while ago about eczema flares. We're avoiding dairy as much as we can for our baby because it tends to cause flare-ups. And for our first baby, it was severe eczema. So in that video, check it out if you're experiencing eczema in your child. I explain, how I overcame it because she's completely fine now. She's got really good skin. So check that one out. I'll leave it in the link in the description. And then let's carry on with what we're going to have as a snack. Right, for snack time, I'm keeping it nice and simple. We're having bread and peanut butter spread. So I know some of us are sometimes worried because peanut butter is an allergen. I decided to give Zion that quite early on to avoid a potential allergy in the future, and he's doing really well with it. So now it's tea time or lunchtime ish. We're kind of running late. It's 4 o'clock, and he's having avocado that I've mixed in with the sauce that we made yesterday, which has got a little bit of mince, but doesn't have much mince in his. Rice and red kidney beans, and I've mixed it all in. The avocado really helps to chunk it together so that it's easy for him to chew the rice. So yeah, I think it's really good to kind of, I tend to give him what we eat. It just makes things easier, and I just make it baby friendly, you know, for him. So hopefully he'll have a bit of that. It looks like he likes it. So that is what he's having for his tea. Bit of avocado, bit of rice, red kidney beans. Feel free to use what you already have cooked in the house and what you usually would eat for yourself, and you just make it into smaller chunks. Or avocado is a good addition to make it easier to swallow, because it brings it in all together and makes it more mushy. So it looks like this is a bit of a winner. Or maybe not. Love you. So that is what baby has eaten in a day. I hope you found it helpful. I just want you to know that obviously I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a professional in that way, but I have been trained as part of my profession to know what the first foods are. I've had first foods training for babies, for weaning from 4 months to 6 months old. So you can know that obviously I know what I'm talking about to some extent. But if you've got any questions, leave them in a comment. If you've got any recipes that you love to try and give to your baby, share them, because you know what, this channel is all about creating a community, because it takes a village to raise a baby. So I really hope that you've enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I would love for you to subscribe and be part of this channel, because parenting is so hard. It really triggers us. It really is testing. It can be testing, it could be amazing, it could be wonderful, but it is ultimately, I think, the hardest job in the world. If you agree, leave a comment or leave a thumbs up. But yeah, thank you so much for joining. I really hope you found that useful. I'm gonna go and spend the rest of my day cleaning the house or something, you know, and playing with the kids. I'm absolutely shattered, but I'm so glad I did this video. Tune back on for next week, where we're gonna explore more topics on how we can, I've got something exciting, how we can use our phones or alarm clocks to stop tantrums. So that's going to be super interesting. So stay tuned. Next Sunday I'm going to post that. I'm wishing you a lovely rest of the day, morning, evening, depending on when you're watching this video. I'm sending you so much love, and I'll see you very soon. Mwah!